Hi everyone, welcome back. So, if you are new here, I'm Abhishek Singh and today we are going to dive into Salesforce Screen Flow with our video called Unlock the Power of Screen Flow, your complete guide from beginner to advanced. We have 30 plus essential chapters from beginner to advanced. Okay, so this video is your all in one guide to learn screen flow. Whether you are a beginner or looking to improve your skills, we have included over 30 plus chapters that cover everything from the basics to advanced technique. So, here the table of contents are Salesforce Flow Guide Part 1, that is understanding variables. Second chapter is Salesforce Flow Guide Part 2, Screen Element Explained. Part 3, How to redirect users with Flow, launching Flow with Lighting app, sending emails with a screen flow, upload file straight from a flow, exploring the flow debug tool, post flow with stages, and many more. That is one screen with file upload and more, display data in tables with flow, mass transfer records with flow, validations in flow screen, repeater in flow, customize flow buttons, run flows in system mode, dynamic forms and lookups in flow, also many more. That is, use lookup in screen flow, validate input by screen flow, dynamic flow field visibility, collapsible header by screen flow, navigations to a new record, navigations on click a link to record, use of matching record, and simple forms by screen flow, and many more we have, but we have included only 24 chapters and many more we have. Okay, so make sure you watch all the chapters to fully understand the screen flow. Each part builds on a one before it. So if you have any questions or if something not clear, leave a comment below. I'm here to help. You can also email me if you need more details. Okay, if you find this video very helpful, please like, share and subscribe. I have got more helpful videos coming soon, so stay tuned on this channel. Alright, let's jump into the first chapter, that is understanding screen flow. Thank you guys.